I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cane sauce without Worcestershire. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of your favorite ketchup. For the seasonings, grab 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a small dash of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. Take a medium-sized bowl and add your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of ketchup. Using a whisk, combine these two ingredients thoroughly. You want to make sure they are completely blended together, forming a smooth, consistent base. Keep whisking until there are no visible streaks of either the mayonnaise or the ketchup. This creates the perfect foundation for our sauce. Next, it's time to add all those wonderful spices to your base. Carefully sprinkle in the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and that dash of cayenne pepper. Stir everything together really well, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed throughout the sauce. Once mixed, cover your bowl and refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade cane sauce without Worcestershire is now ready to enjoy. The chilling period has allowed all those delicious flavors to deepen and combine perfectly. This versatile sauce is fantastic with chicken tenders, crispy fries, or even as a dip for your favorite vegetables. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this simple, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.